The other one that I didn't necessarily touch on is recommendations. So, similarly to when you were applying to whatever program you're in now, you probably had to get some recommendations. And again, I mean, I know like recommendations are kind of a iffy thing because, of course, like you're going to pick people that are going to say great things about you. And, you know, you're going to be putting your best foot forward. But it really just depends because sometimes, I mean, most of the times, nowadays like students are not privy to what is on the recommendation form, so recommendations have come a long way. I mean, even when I was just first applying to undergrad, it was really just, you know, tell me about this student, how are they doing, like, you know, will they do good at my college, blah blah blah. Whereas like now a lot of organizations, a lot of universities, colleges, whether it be for study abroad or not, have really put in thought to thinking about the questions that they ask someone to where it's specific of, you know, do you think that this person will perform well? If they don't, what are some of the flaws that they have? Be honest about that. What are some of the ways that you've seen them sort of grow for the better and grow for the worst? So I feel that it's made people be a little bit more thoughtful because again, if you have someone who's recommending you and they're like, oh, you know, like this person's great, they never have any flaws, they do everything great, like that's going to be a red flag. Like every person has some type of flaws. Like right now, I can't even get the words out. But you know, it's just like this idea of you want to make sure that if you are able to have recommendations that are good and you have a good essay, again, that can give you a little bit more of a boost if you have a lower GPA. So just some things to think about. I'm also going to link a blog post that I wrote about this specific topic that just goes into more detail into each of the different factors that I talked about and can just kind of give you something to think a little bit more about. So if you haven't already, please go ahead and like this video. If you haven't, I hope you did at the beginning. Go ahead and subscribe. I release videos every single Friday, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, perfect. All right. We did it. We did it.